This video describes suppletive rules. If we look here for the type of rule, there's simple, which we discussed in a previous video, morphophonemic, which we'll discuss in subsequent videos, form selection, table, and suppletive forms. Here's what a suppletive rule looks like, but you never need to write these rules yourself. TBTA will write these rules for you. And the way this works, here, these are suppletive, so we've entered them manually. If we delete the suppletive forms, okay, so now the rules are building these forms. They're adding ed to all of the stems. But as we mentioned earlier, we don't say eded, we say ate. So when there's a suppletive form, you click on the cell and you enter it. You can enter a sample sentence if you want. Now it shows up in white, and that means it's suppletive. And if we look here, form rules, there's now a suppletive forms rule here. And it has this one word, eat. That's all. You never need to edit this though. When we enter more forms, the past tense of read is read. The past tense of see is saw. Past tense of sleep is slept. This is morphophonemic, we won't deal with it. So now we have these four words that are suppletive, and if we look here, the suppletive forms rule now has 4 layers for eat, read, see, and sleep. So again, you don't ever need to edit these. The software edits these for you, or builds these rules for you. And if you want to go back, if later you find out a form isn't actually suppletive, there are rules that generate it, then you can click on the suppletive form, delete it, clear it out, and now it goes back to being rule generated, and you see the background is blue. So that's how suppletive rules are used.